Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Singapore is rapidly becoming a global hub for artificial intelligence in healthcare, promising a future of predictive diagnostics and personalized medicine. But for innovators in this space, a major question looms. How do you get your cutting-edge AI-powered medical device legally on the market? The Health Sciences Authority, or HSA, has been proactive in releasing guidelines, but these new rules create a complex maze for manufacturers, especially those unfamiliar with the region. The core challenge is that AI is not a static piece of hardware. It learns and evolves. This is a nightmare for traditional regulatory frameworks built on predictability. The HSA has moved beyond a simple one-time approval, adopting what they call a total product lifecycle approach. This means they scrutinize the entire journey of the device, from the data used to train the algorithm to how its performance is monitored in the real world, and most importantly, how changes to the algorithm are managed after deployment. Let's consider a real-world case. A promising startup develops an AI tool that analyzes skin lesion images to detect early signs of melanoma. They use a massive, validated dataset to train their algorithm and achieve an impressive 98% accuracy rate in clinical trials. They go through the rigorous pre-market submission process with the HSA and get their device approved. But 6 months after launch, the software has processed thousands of new images from a different patient demographic in Southeast Asia. To improve its accuracy, the algorithm needs to be updated. This is where it gets tricky. The company cannot simply push an update. They must have a pre-specified and HSA-approved change management plan. This plan needs to detail exactly how they will validate and document any modifications to the algorithm without compromising safety or effectiveness. They need to prove that the smarter algorithm is still the same safe device that was originally approved. For a small company, this continuous validation and documentation process can be a huge drain on resources. It requires a deep understanding of post-market surveillance obligations and robust quality management systems. Failing to manage this process correctly could lead to non-compliance, forced product recalls, and a loss of market access. This is the new reality of medtech innovation in ASEAN's leading markets. While Singapore's regulatory framework is designed to ensure patient safety, it demands a new level of strategic preparation from manufacturers. Navigating these requirements for AI-driven devices requires specialized, localized expertise. For companies looking to bring their innovations to Singapore and beyond, understanding this lifecycle approach is not just an option, it is essential for success. To learn more about how to build a regulatory strategy that anticipates these challenges, you can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at pureglobal.com.